Alright, so here's a sample of the full, all-out, maxed out light camera screen to view yourself. Okay, so here are all our components, so let's start building this thing. First we got our tripod. We'll set that up and we'll add our camera case. I like the ones that have the door on the back. Add a little extra protection to keep the camera in there. We'll screw that on to our tripod with our GoPro to tripod adapter mount. Pretty straightforward piece there. And there would be setup number one. Just the GoPro on a tripod. Flexible. Bend it to whatever you need to see yourself with. And here's a sample with just the camera. Nothing fancy. No external microphone. Audio test 1 2 1 2. As you can see, audio does suck on GoPros. I don't care who you are or what you say, they suck. For good reasons though. I mean, they are 100% waterproof. So there's that membrane over the microphone. There's no wind and it's completely silent in the background. They're not too terrible. They work not very good, especially when they're wet. Alright, so our next component would be if we want to add the microphone. I use this adapter. I have my microphone adapter dealy thing from GoPro, proprietary device mounted onto this shaft. This is a 3-way cold shoe adapter. And that just screws directly into the top of the case. Screw that on. Insert our USB-C connector into the side. Take our microphone, slide it into the shoe mount. Like so. And connect our microphone. Now we have camera on the tripod and a microphone. Alright, so here we got just the GoPro with the microphone. It's a little lighter, it's a little more shaky. It's also not so big and bulky, which is nice. It fits in smaller places. I still use the extension here. One, it has a place to mount the stupid microphone converter thing that should just be built into the camera. Second, it moves the microphone back, so if you don't have a little short microphone like this, you got one of the longer shotguns, the dead cat still won't get in your frame, which is kind of nice. Especially most people like to use the Rode shotgun microphones when vlogging. I like this little guy. It's easier to pack. It actually fits in one of the spaces where the GoPro would go if I have it in a case. Works out pretty good. Next would be if we wanted to add a cell phone mount to the setup. We can swing our microphone mount over, turn our microphone back into direction. We'll take a 1/4-20 by 1/4-20 mount, screw that into the bottom of the cell phone holder. Then we'll take that and thread that into the top of the microphone mount. Now we have cell phone mount. Now I use an extra old cell phone. I don't use my normal everyday talking cell phone. One, it can't ring or get a text or an email. Second thing is, everybody's got an extra cell phone nowadays. Why use your main cell phone and kill the battery when you can have an extra one and not kill your main battery? So now we have the cell phone, camera, and a microphone. Now we'll go for adding the light. The light is already mounted on a 2-way to 1 mount GoPro adapter. So we'll just disconnect the camera from the tripod, install the light, and then reinstall the camera. Now we have all three set up for vlogging. Alright, so here's a sample of the full, all-out, maxed-out light camera screen to view yourself so you can see where you're framing, all that jazz. Seems to work pretty good. I kind of like it this way. With the extra weight, it seems to be more stable. Just seems to work better. So that's a maxed out version. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. You can always use any combination. There's other styles and designs I've tried in the past. They don't seem as secure. I've tried mounting the microphone directly on top of the camera. Then you have the microphone adapter just kind of hanging there, and a lot of times the dead cat gets into the lens, so that's why I like to keep it backing off to the side. Having the monitor helps at times. Sometimes you find yourself just staring at it, which isn't good. I did start with the GoPro because that's all I had, and it works good. I still use the GoPro 6. I don't have the 7. I'm going to hold out for the next generation GoPro. See what new and great things they come out with. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Share. It really does make a difference. And thank you for watching.